Okay, so we're here at Blizzard Beach, and I'm joined with my lovely niece, or as Uncle Paul likes to call you, he's nice.
Lovely. Yay.
And we've been here a week-ish?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? You've been here 2 weeks?
Oh no, a week and a half.
A week and a half, yeah, about a little bit longer than us.
Yeah.
But you're staying here a few fewer days than we are, aren't you?
Yeah, we're here. Well, we're in Orlando for 3 weeks, but I know, in Florida for 3 weeks, but Orlando for 2 weeks.
Awesome. And what have you been up to so far?
So we've been exploring all of the Disney parks. Our favourite so far has been Hollywood Studios with Slinky Dog Dash.
Oh, that was awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, very smooth ride.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Courtney has had her first holiday going on roller coasters.
And where is young Courtney?
Once Will moves out, it will change again no matter what.
She's disappeared. How are you feeling as a mother right now?
I'm feeling really protective.
Oh, I think we just ran out of battery. It stopped. Is it still recording?
Still going a second.
Oh, it's still recording, just that the screen is turned off, that's all. There we go. So, Courtney did something rather extraordinary just recently, I think, didn't she?
Yeah, she started going on roller coasters.
She started going on roller coasters.
She never used to go on penny rides, let alone roller coasters.
And she's had quite a few thrills just recently, I believe.
What, she's lost?
She's had quite a few thrills recently, I believe.
Other than roller coasters?
Yes.
You mean Sophia?
I do, Miss Sophia. I will get the names correct before the end of the holiday, I promise.
Sophia has always gone roller coasters.
Sophia has. She's the speed demon, isn't she?
Yeah. However, she has excelled herself this holiday.
She has. Well, tell us about that.
So, we discovered that she is just over 48 inches tall, which means that she can go on a ride in Old Town, Florida called the Slingshot.
Oh, that sounds very, very,
However,
very awesome.
there was a little issue with this.
Yes.
Nobody else wanted to go on.
Oh, surely Mum or Dad wanted to go on with her.
Neither of them wanted to go
A young
on.
child of 7 years old would surely not want to go on her own.
Well,
That wouldn't be allowed.
The extra issue was the Slingshot has 2 seats, so someone has to go on.
Oh
with her.
dear. Well, what happened?
Well, there was one man, particularly, possibly, that would go on. So
Well,
he was our last hope.
Who would be stupid enough to go on something like that?
Well, his name was Uncle Chrissy, and previously in the day it was going to be Jennifer.
Yes.
However, she took one look and said it was slightly higher than she expected.
So she bottled it.
Yeah. So there was one person left that was just possibly able to go.
Stupid enough,
Yeah.
reckless enough to go on it. And how did it turn out in the end?
So it turned out that Sophia jumped up and down enough times and pleaded enough times that Uncle Chrissy said, well, what did he say? He didn't say I want to do it. He said, okay, I'll go on.
Anything for children, right?
Anything for children, yeah. You can't leave her disappointed.
No. And so he went on the ride, didn't he?
He did.
And did he really enjoy it, enthusiastic and everything?
Well, we'll have to attach the photo to this video of how his excited face looked just before he went on.
And his brown trousers.
Yeah. He looked almost excited. So excited, he looked nervous.
That was the worst thing I've ever done in my entire life. There's 2,500 Facebook hits testifies to.
But was you glad you did it afterwards?
Well, after about 30 minutes when my nerves finally calmed down and my bodily functions returned to normal, yeah, I think it was, you know, they usually say first for fear, second for fun for these sort of things, but I'm not sure I'm going back on that thing second time to test that.
Talk us through the process of your heart.
Sorry?
Talk us through the process of your heart on the ride.
Well, when they strapped me in, which we can get us perfect. When they strapped me in, which they would have to have done because I wasn't going to stay on that thing voluntarily. The tension, they put the tension in the ropes, and that tilted the seat backwards. At which point my heart went from a resting, 75 beats per minute to a rather excited 433 beats per minute. And I said to her, "Are you going to give us a countdown?" She said, "Yeah, I'll give you a nice slow countdown." And then she said, 1, 2, 3, go! And the mechanism released the chair. We went skywards, and I think I said something to the effect of, how interesting is this ride? What a lovely, interesting experience. And
close to that.
One of the two people in the chair were very enthusiastic, lots of giggles, smiling, grinning from ear to ear, and the other one of us lost all control of his bodily functions.
Which one had a beard?
Which one? Yes, the one with the beard. So that was quite an experience. One that I'm not going to repeat. Not easily.
You're sure?
Not easily.
You might change your mind when you get there.
Well, I can never say never.
No.
But I don't believe you've had a go yet.
I don't believe I was ever willing to.
Is that right?
I made it clear from the beginning.
Coward.
I'll take that.
You can take that.
Yeah.
All right, I think we should sign off. What do you think?
Okay.
All right.
Thanks for your time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.